Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a Harebell flower. This is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami, and we're going to start with the colored side down. Now we're going to fold in half along the vertical line here. So I'm going to bring this right edge over to meet the left edge. Once those line up, hold it in place and then crease. And then unfold. Next we're going to fold in half along the horizontal. So I'll bring the top edge down to meet the bottom edge. And then crease. Next I'm going to bring this top right corner down to meet the center on the bottom here. It's going to form a valley fold going from the center at the top down to the bottom right corner. And then crease that. And then turn the model over, right to left. Then we'll do the same thing on this side here. Next, we're going to pick the model up, and you'll see this pocket on the inside here. You're going to open that pocket, and while we do that, we'll bring this point on the right over to meet the point on the left. Just bring those points together, lay the model flat, and then flatten everything. Should be 2 flaps on the right here, then 2 flaps on the left. And this is a preliminary base, or a square base. Next we're going to bring this top right edge in to lie along the center crease. And just make sure your model is oriented this way with the opening down at the bottom here. Line that edge up in the center, and then crease. And the same thing on the left side here. And then turn the model over. Do the same thing on both of these edges. Just like this. Next, we're going to bring the bottom edge in to lie along that center crease. Just like that. Do the same thing on the left side. Then turn the model over again and do the same thing on this side as well with both of these edges. Just bring those into the center. Like this. Next, I'm going to rotate the whole model. And then we're going to form a valley fold that extends from this point here going this way It'll bisect this angle right there. And to do that, we'll bring this edge over to meet this edge on the outside. Just line those edges up and crease. It should look like this. Then we'll do the same thing on the left side. Like that. And then turn the model over. Do the same thing with both of these. All right, now everything should look like this. And for the next step, we're going to take just one layer and separate it from the rest here. We're going to free one little trapped layer. If you notice, this flap here has 2 layers in it. I'm going to take just that top one. You might need to fold this flap back just a little bit so you can get to it. But we'll take that one layer, open it out to the side, and then this crease we have right here is going to reverse like that, and then it should look like this. And then with that, the right half of that, we're gonna fold that back inside this pocket here. If you look from this side, there's already an existing crease right there. We're just going to crease that all the way over like this. And then close it back up. Hopefully that made sense, but I'll show you again on the left side, and hopefully we can clarify anything here. Take just the one layer, separate it from the rest, and then squish that down. Then we'll fold that whole thing back right along this line here. Just like that. Then we'll turn the model over and we'll do the same thing on this side. I just free that layer, bring it to the side, and then tuck that behind into that pocket. Oops. Sorry about that. And the same on the left side. And now everything should look like this. Next, we're going to turn these white sections into petals. And to do that, we're going to just roll them. I'm going to use a pencil here. I'm going to take just this one flap, just like that. Then I'm going to roll it around this pencil. Just down as far as it will go, which is right to where the colors change. Just like that, and that'll make it a nice curved petal. Then I'll turn the model over and do the same thing on this petal. Just roll that down. There we are. Then we have 2 more petals here. So I'm going to turn the model, and it's going to start to become 3-dimensional as we do this. So I'll open it out a little bit like this. Then I can form this petal. I'll turn it around for that last petal. Now they're all curved, and we just need to finish making the model 3-dimensional. So you'll have to stick your finger inside this pocket here, and then just push out on the sides. Just lightly press. Just go all the way around to all 4 sides. Then just go around again to double check. Then you can fix the petals a little bit. But now the model should be 3-dimensional. And we're all done.